December 6, 1865, the 14th Amendment was proclaimed as ratified. The 14th Amendment, which is private Roman Catholic ecclesiastical trust law, constitutes a constructive, Surety trust, a public charitable trust that was expressly designed to bring every corporate franchise artificial person called a citizen of the United States into an inseparable merging with the government until the two are united. A Surety trust is fundamentally different from a regular trust, which is express in nature and consists of a contractual indenture involving three parties: grantor, trustee, and beneficiaries. In an express trust, legal ownership is transferred by a written contract between the grantor and trustee in which the grantor surrenders ownership of the property to the legal person, the trust, to be managed by the trustee on behalf of those who are to benefit from the arrangement, the beneficiaries. A Surety trust, on the other hand, differs from an express trust in several crucial ways. A. It is not formed by express contract, i.e., overt agreement expressed in writing, but by legal construction, i.e., a fiat. B. A Surety trust has no grantor, but, being a constructive trust created by operation of law, i.e., by make-believe, has only co-trustees and co-beneficiaries. The co-trustees are the parties with the duties for managing property for the public good, i.e., for the benefit of those designated as co-beneficiaries. The Legislative Act of February 21, 1871, 41st Congress, Session 3, Chapter 62, page 419, chartered a federal company entitled the United States, aka U.S. Inc. of a commercial agency originally designated as Washington, D.C., in accordance with the so-called 14th Amendment, which the record indicates was never ratified. See Utah Supreme Court cases, Diet v. Turner, 439 Pt2 266, 267, State v. Phillips, 540 Pt2 936, as well as Coleman v. Miller, 307 U.S. 448, 59 S.C.T. 972, 28 Tulane Law Review, 22. 11 South Carolina Law Quarterly 484, Congressional Record, June 13, 1967, pp 15641, 15646. A citizen of the United States is a civilly dead entity operating as a co-trustee and co-beneficiary of the PCT, the constructive, Surety Trust of U.S. Inc. under the 14th Amendment, which upholds the debt of the USA and U.S. Inc. in Section 4. In conformity with the above-referenced creation of the United States and the 14th Amendment, the legislature of each state created a limited liability corporation, chartered in a private, military, international, commercial,